Variable pitch linear actuator, also known as variable distance motion stage, is a variable pitch mechanism that can realize the opening and closing of multiple sliders at equal or unequal distances. It is commonly used in packaging testing, mobile phone lenses and panels, electronic parts of the back end of the batch handling and placing process, but also in the life sciences, in vitro testing equipment for sample transfer. KGG variable pitch slides can be customized with 2 to 36 sliders according to customers' individual needs. The range of variable pitch can be called pitch, and refers to the center distance between the two adjacent sliders. The minimum pitch of KGG variable pitch slide is 9 mm. The body width is available in 50 mm, 70 mm, 100 mm, and 120 mm. Repeatability of the slider is plus or minus 0.025 mm. The origin position can be in the center, on the left, or on the right, allowing for variable distances in different directions. The structural advantage of KGG variable pitch slide is that it realizes multi-slide linkage on one axis, which is ready to use without the need of tedious self-construction, and effectively saves assembly and debugging time. At the same time, the highly integrated modular components can reduce the loss of precision due to the complex structure. Diversified motor mounting methods, motor direct connection, motor fold left, motor fold right, motor fold up and motor fold down. 5 types of mounting methods to adapt to different installation space requirements.